everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny with Kathy Jarvis. And it's been another busy week. We didn't get much done at the house. Worked on the shed, got the stone laid, got the floor pavers put in, and he poured a concrete step or ramp to go up into it. So he's got that part done. I ended up cleaning up all the cat crates. That took all day on Saturday. I keep the cats in the crates at night because we have a lot of coyotes. And after losing a few kittens and one big cat, we decided we were going to protect them at nighttime. So they spend the nights in the crates where they get plenty of food and plenty of fresh water. Sunday we didn't actually get to go to church. We were planning on it, but about 7:30 in the morning, all my alarms went off saying that there was somebody at the front yard and on the front porch. And it turned out that someone had car trouble out front. Wanted to know if they could leave their car parked there. And the strange thing about it was that we also lost electricity for a little bit at the same time. So they didn't get the car moved until almost 9:30, which was too late for us to leave to go to church, so we skipped church. Later on that afternoon, we did go and get groceries. And then on Monday I got my hair cut, and then we had Vacation Bible School. We had Vacation Bible School Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we helped with the recreation. So it was fun, but wore us out. I mean, we were tired when we got home. We're not used to working with kids to have their energy again. Wow. Wednesday, I actually worked on the carpet. About once a month, and near the end of the month, I will wash all the dog's stuff. I wash all the crates. I wash all the feeding dishes for the cats, and any towels or blankets or anything they've used, I put into the washing machine and wash at the end of the month. And then I disinfect the washing machine afterwards. So I did all that since it's the end of the month almost. And then on Thursday, what did we do Thursday? Oh, Thursday I had a dental appointment. So everything turned out okay. Don't have to go back, no cavities. So I'm fine until 6 months from now. So that worked out really well. And Friday we met a lady and sewed her some of our water lilies that we still have left. I think we only have about 2 or 3 left now, so we did really well getting rid of those. So that's been our week. It was a busy week, not really that much to show. I didn't get to work on the picnic table because of timing. I just didn't have enough time to get it done, then wait 8 hours and do it again. And then if I had enough varnish left over to wait another 8 hours and do it again. Didn't have that time frame this past week, so I didn't get to work on it. So I did get to work a little bit on the garden. I did spray for aphids and got those under control and watered it well. We did get the much needed rain that we were really needing. We got that. Could use some more in a couple more days. You know, things are pretty dry, but this was a good start. And like I said, not much to show because it was just cleaning out crates, cleaning a house, cleaning animal stuff, and going to Vacation Bible School and being in charge of different games. So I hope you had a good week. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.